That's where we're heading up there, Shortoff Mountain. Hey. What's going on, everyone? It's Andy here, and my girlfriend Paige, and Barkley. And today we're backpacking the Linville Gorge in North Carolina. So we're at the trailhead right now. It's called the Wolfpit trailhead. And we're gonna be hiking up these trails up to there, which is the Shortoff Mountain. So let's see. I'll show you on the map what we're doing. We are parked there. I'm gonna be taking these trails up. Most likely camping along Shortoff, and then who knows, maybe we'll hike along and head down to the gorge. Not too sure yet, but our current elevation at 2,049 feet, and yeah, we're just getting all packed up. The packs are pretty heavy today because we're not going very long. I've got a pretty thick, heavy wool blanket there, hatchet, a pretty big knife because we're expecting upper 20s and we're gonna have a nice toasty fire. We've had some crazy weather today, quite a few snow flurries this morning, and now it's pretty nice. Probably like 50s right now. Shortoff. Going this way.
Yeah, it really is beautiful.
Slowly making it up. Shortoff, the Mountain to Sea Trail. Well, we found a little shelter here from the wind. Very windy out there. So we're just kind of layering up from the wind. Hat just blew away. Yeah, we were just kind of chilling right in there. Layered up again. It's cold. It's up here probably like 30. Definitely a cool spot. Good view right there. Spot there. Nice fire pit. Well, we got the tent set up here. I added some extra guy out points on both sides because it's super windy. Got the hatchet up and the old K-bar. This thing's awesome. But let's go check out the view up here. Looks like a little storm might be rolling in. So at 30 degrees with, let's say, 30-mile-an-hour winds, it's about 15 degrees. Yeah. That was like out on the ledge out there though. I mean, my hands were so cold. Hi, buddy. Hey, man. Hey. Pretty sure it's about to snow. So this is where we're gonna have to get water from. It is so incredibly windy. This is cool. Look at that. Holy shit. It is so windy. Tent life. Tent life. Are you toasty?
I'm not coming out all night.
It looks pretty toasty in that thing. Yeah, not much snow, but there's snow. Snow! It's actually real dry and powdery too. Yeah. Do you want to know the temperature? 25. It's gonna be a cold one. I'm pretty sure the wind is supposed to subside a little bit too. Yeah, that'd be nice. I'm gonna go scope out the clouds over here. 25 degrees out. It's probably gonna get into the teens tonight. So beautiful. Nice little grill here. Could have brought some like bacon or something good. It's snowing. You want to bite?
Yeah.
Come bite it.
Cool.
Yeah, it's falling on the tent right now. $24.
Dropping.
I realized when I looked at the weather, I looked at Nebo, but I don't know at the elevation that they checked that at. Crazy, it just, the wind totally died.
What?
The wind totally died. Yeah, I feel a lot warmer. I just put a little shell on too. This thing, freaking layered. I got a wind shell, down jacket, cap 2 or cap 4 expedition weight, and then a wool shirt underneath. Don't have a windscreen. So 16 ounces. I'm gonna make a little bit extra. We can make some hot chocolate.
That's good.
Yeah. Whew. Cold. So Amy's organic spicy chili and beef stroganoff with noodles. All right, Wind. Hands are freezing. Back up. It's coming from that way. My water is already almost like iced at the top.
Really?
Yeah. Damn, must be pretty cold out. Yeah. I'm gonna go check out the skies. Back to the cold. Thanks. Cold boots. Watch this. Like when you shake it up, it freezes. Like activates the molecules. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
packing up our gear right now. We're gonna wake up at like 6:30. It was too damn cold, so we slept till about 11 o'clock. The highs, or the lows, were about low 20s. It was cold, but it's worth it. Wake up to these views here. And the winds last night too were insane. There were probably 30-40 mile an hour gusts up here. It was crazy to wake up in the middle of the night, and it was so loud. But yep, we're packing up and headed out of here back to the car. The platypus froze up last night, so we camped up along Shortoff Mountain up here. Car's down here, so just gonna hike back down to the car. Next time it'd be fun to come up and head down to the river, but it's pretty far down there. See the river? It is, I don't know, you can kind of see the cutout out of the trees down there, but it's a beautiful afternoon.
Woo! Ay, 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 ay. Oh, hush, you little lemur.
The watering hole. Here. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar.
Good?
Yeah. What you want? Care for an icicle? That'll wet your whistle.
Today's a beautiful day.
Yeah. So windy yesterday. Yeah. It would have been nice if it wasn't so windy. That wind just fucking killed it. So windy. It just kind of was a bummer. Couldn't have a fire.
I didn't even get out of the tent. After we got there.
He's so funny. Let's go. We made it! Yeah! 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 Oh! Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Time for us to get some hot food and drive 7 hours.